1034, I'm taking one from your book. The unboxing. Something again for you flatbedders, or any trucker for that matter. We're gonna take this out the box. It's gonna be the first time I'm gonna use it. And see what it does. Collapsible kettle, boils water in less than a minute. I love it because it saves space. I can just plug it in, and anything that boils water in less than a minute, that's beautiful. And basically, that's what makes it so great, I guess. And it's just a space saver. You know, you're in the truck, you want boiling water quick. You know, you can have boiling water, like I said, in less than a minute. Let's give it a shot. We're gonna see how quick it boils the water. See if it's true to its word. I'm waiting to see it bubble up. I can hear it. Can you see? I don't know if you guys can see the bubbles. Now that's a full boil. Oh, and it shut itself off. I didn't know that it does that. And it's safe to put on the bed. It's not hot. It doesn't get hot. Oh, that outer rim gets hot. Alright. That's cool, man. That shit is boiling already. Unflavored oatmeal, no sugars, no nothing. I could put my own little, I guess, strawberries and stuff in there. Drop a strawberry in there.